Good morning, all of you. My name is Krishna Narayan Mishra. In this video lecture, we talk about what is a robot and definition of robot, who invented the word robot, and short history of robot, and what is the definition of robot. Okay. First, I tell you the lots of misunderstanding regarding a robot. What are a robot? What are a not? And what is the use of robot in the future. The definition of robot is evolving over the time, and so many scientists worked on a robot, and in the past he observed any particular robot, how it perceive environment and how it act and provide some output. On the basis of this research, scientists provided some name of robot and definition of robot. The word robot is invented by Czech playwright Karel Čapek in 1921. He also provided many names of robot like robota, which is meaning is obligatory work, and also his brother Joseph made up the term robot. And there are so many examples of robot. In this video we talk about only two examples, like a static and dynamic, obligatory work and fixed robot. In obligatory robot, this type of robot is dynamic robot. These robots is performs a specific task like move one place to another place, carry some materials and some instrument. This type of robot is work in an industrial area or in construction area. Maybe in future we use this robot in a medical field also. And another robot is dynamic or static robot, which is fixed in one place, not perform any movement. This type of robot is stay in one place and perform his task like a DNA sequencing. In DNA sequencing, there is a perform on the basis of algorithm, and this type of robot cannot perform any movement. Okay. In the past, so many engineers and scientists work on a robot and look the behavior of robot and put some extra task on that robot. Okay. And we talk about short history of robot. 3000 years ago, Egyptian developed one statue. It is operated by humans. It is not a fully robot or not a machine. It is look like that, and we can say that in that time the invention of robot is established or occurred. Okay. And Egyptian also developed one creature and one breathing system. In this breathing system, it is made up by one rubber. It performs work on the basis of air pressure. It contract and relax. Through this contraction and relaxation, the oxygen level of any patient is maintained by this breathing system. Okay. Some basic examples of human made robot. It is a not robot, but it is a look like robot, and the scientists try to make a biological robot which is totally look like a human. Okay. But there are so many problems occur It is a very sophisticated construction. Okay, so that it is a normal or a short history of Egypt people who has developed a normal robot, or we can say that a simple robot. It is a not robot but look like that. Okay, the definition of robot, is that robot is an autonomous system, and it can present in a physical world. Okay, it can sense the environment and perform some acts. This is a called robot. Mean that autonomous system mean that it is a independent. It is not operated by any human. Okay, and it is present in a physical world. It can sense some environment. Okay, and using the these input, it will be provide some output on the basis of sense the environment. Okay, this is a simple and small concept about what is the robot. Thank you very much. We will say next concept in next video. Thank you very much.